If you're wondering how to check if your message has been seen on Instagram, here's how you can find out. Instagram provides details about whether another account has viewed your message, and it's easy to check. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping on the messages icon in the top right corner. In your chat list, find the conversation you're curious about. For example, if you sent a message and only see sent or no additional notification below the message, it likely means the recipient hasn't seen it yet. On the other hand, if the message displays seen or a timestamp like seen 6 minutes ago, it indicates that the recipient has opened and read your message. In group chats, the process is slightly different. When multiple people are involved, you'll see the profile icons or usernames of the individuals who have viewed your message. If not everyone has seen it, only the names of those who have will appear below the message. If this guide was helpful, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.